Back in the day, whenever there was a full moon, people got real careful about going outside, because that's when it could come creeping, and a peeping, and a prowling, and a howling. They call it the Wild Were-Puppy!
Green means go to sleep. Whoa, I'm really going fast. I wish my friends could see me do this. Oh, but I might scare them. Ew, it smells like skunk. That's the first time a skunk's ever been scared of me. Hey, wait, don't be scared. Whoa, I can really jump far. Being a werepuppy is kind of fun. Huh? Is someone there? Go away, bear, or... Huh? It's just me, Rocky, the werepuppy.
The werepuppy?
Sounds like somebody had a pretty exciting dream.
But you sure put a scare in that bear and saved our marshmallows. Thanks.
Huh, I did. Well, if you're ever in trouble, just howl for help.
Paw Patrol.
Great job setting up today, Pups.
We're gonna have so much fun on Cowboy Day tomorrow.
I'll be cheering.
Sounds like trouble at the pig pen. Well, she's sleepwalking. Oh, I'm stuck. I'd better call the Paw Patrol. Thanks, Rubble.
How's your fur?
Mighty muddy, but it'll be fine.
Over here, Pups. Rubble, push those hay bales over to catch the mare. There she is! Chase! She's headed right for Oscar and Chicoletta.
On it, Ryder!
Sky, we need an air rescue. We need to keep her away from the edge until Sky gets here. Chase, climb up there.
Wall walkers! Make good way, stop! Gotcha!
Oh, sorry. Did I miss something? I had the best dream.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Something's gone wrong on the Turbot Swamp Tour. A swamp creature scared the Goodways and they ran off.
Swamp creature?
Even worse.
Oh no!
Now the mayor is stuck in quicksand and Captain Turbot isn't answering his phone.
But Ryder, the tide goes out at this time of day, and the water will be too low for the sea patroller.
You're right, Zuma. That's why this is Ultimate Swamp Water Rescue.
I'm ultimately ready to dive in.
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Paw Patrol! Zuma!
These trees are scrambling my GPS signal. I can't pick up the flounder or the Goodways.
Chase, use your swamp drone to look for clues.
Ruff! Swamp drone! Footprints! I bet the small ones belong to Julia and Julius. The bigger ones must be Mayor Goodways. Let's go check it out.
Follow that drone! There they are!
Mayor Goodway! Julia! Ryder! Julius!
Yay! It's the PAW Patrol!
I knew they would come.
Rubble, use your wakeboard to pull Mayor Goodway out.
Rubble on the ultimate double. Wakeboard! Okay, make your way. Just carefully crawl onto the board. Wakeboard return!
Oh, thank you, Rubble. As my niece and nephew would say, you rock.
Oh, we found them! Look at all those gold bones, and they're all mine!
Chickaletta, I'll be right down to get you, Chicky Poo. Oh, hello, Chickaletta. Oh! Ryder, now the town hall is sinking.
What? My GPS says we're almost under Town Hall. We'll see what's going on.
Hurry, kiddies, load faster!
That sounds like...
They're hunting?
Stop!
Oh? Ha! You just want the gold bones for yourself, but they're all mine! Full power!
No! We need to lift Town Hall!
We're here to help you, dude.
And we're here too! Great! I need those metal beams you found. Green means let's go! And done! Town Hall is dropping fast! No problem! I'll just give Town Hall a lift with this totally upcycled super lifter.
Careful, Rocky!
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Riders, sir!
Great! Because we've got a snow emergency rescue on Sunny Slope Island.
Snow on the tropical island.
Yes, Mr. Porter and Alex are snowed in up on the mountain. We've got to find them and get them down. Robodog, pick up Everest Snowcat and head for Sunny Slope Island.
Nice snowshoes you made, Grandpa. What are we gonna play?
A game called Hike Down to the Beach. It's a big open space. The Paw Patrol is sure to find us there.
All right, me first. Look, Grandpa, I'm skiing.
Careful, Alex! Whoa, whoa, whoa. We'll see you later, alligator! Alex, we need to slow down!
I don't think I can, but it's fun.
Uh-oh! We're heading for a cliff!
Goggle vision! Ryder, I can see Alex and Mr. Porter going down the mountain. But it looks like they're sliding right towards a big cliff.
Everest, take your snowcat to the base of that cliff and make a big snow cushion. Fast!
No props.
It's nice and soft and just in time.
Alex, Mr. Porter, are you okay? That's fun. Can we do it again?
Let's get you two onto the air patroller where it's nice and warm.
This is the best frozen camping trip ever.
Thanks to you and the Paw Patrol, Ryder.
You're welcome. Whenever you have strange weather, just yell for help.
Sea Patrol, ready for action, Captain Ryder, sir.
The sunken sloop has been taken by Sid the Pirate. We need to catch up to that sloop and return it to where it belongs.
Why are we moving so slowly? What's going on?
Ryder, we've been following the sloop, but now things are really looking strange. I believe the sloop is actually pulling back.
The old sunken ship has a giant sea slug inside. She was using the sloop like a snail would use a shell. The sloop is the sea slug's home. Sid, this is Ryder. You need to give back that sloop.
Arr, this pirate never gives up. I found the sloop, it's mine.
Okay, Rocky. We'll have to cut the cable then. Get your torch ready.
I'll wait for your signal.
Chase, we need the sea slug to stay still while the cable is being cut. There should be some squid jerking your boat to calm her down.
Oh yeah, I found
it. Okay, Rocky. Now!
The slug stopped. Now!
Chase, now lower your winch. Rocky, hook your winch to the sloop.
Winch secure. Hold it away, Chase.
We'll show Chase where the sloop was. Sluggy will be happy there. Right here. Ryder, thank you again for saving the dive spot and Sluggy's home.
You're welcome, Sluggy. And whenever you're in trouble, just for help.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Ryder, sir.
Thanks for getting here so fast, pups. Chickaleta's stuck inside Jake's family cuckoo clock. Now the clock is sliding down the mountain with snowballs rolling after it. Everest, I need you to drive down the mountain and use your grapple to stop the clock. And Rocky, I need you to use your tools to get Chickaleta out of the clock without breaking it. This clock is very special to Jake.
Green means go!
Ryder, we've got our eye on the clock, and it's moving fast. That ride must be so frightening, even for a brave chicken like my Chickaleta.
And those snowballs are catching up. They could crush the clock.
Not on our watch.
Ryder, the clock hand is always at the top. That'll make the door open.
Rocky, when that door opens, try to reach Chickaleta with your claw.
Claw!
Aha! But those snowballs are still gonna hit Jake's claw.
Not if we get the snowballs to hit each other first. Everest, push the left one. Rocky, the right. Yes, it worked. Now let's see if we can make it through these snow bumps and catch that clock.
Ryder, I can reach it faster on my snowboard. Phew, that was close.
Good job, Everest. Rocky, can you put the hand back on the clock and point it to the top?
Okay, fixed. Now to let out Chickaleta. It's about time you came out of there, Chickaleta.
You're doing great, pups. You're turning this empty lot into a really nice place, like for a little park.
Great! This bird's already found a home here.
Hi, Miss Marjorie. What's up?
Holes have popped up all over my garden, Ryder. You can't step anywhere without falling in one, which is exactly what Maynard and I did.
We're on our way, Miss Marjorie.
I'm so glad to see you.
Where's Maynard?
Over by that tree.
Uh-oh, that tree's gonna tip and trap Maynard. Rocky, get him out quick. Whoa.
Hi, Maynard. Need a paw or a claw?
Grab onto the front of my board.
I've got this.
Sky, lower your harness for rubble.
Roger that, Ryder. Still hanging in there, Rebel?
No problem for me. I'm not sure about Miss Marjorie's house. All that's holding it up is a thin piece of dirt.
But Ryder, how am I supposed to live in a tippy-tilty house?
We'll move it.
Where?
The perfect place. The old lot we were cleaning up.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Take it up, Robo-Dog. Robo-Dog, let's move out. Gently, gently, easy. Set it down, Robo-Dog.
You did it, Pops! You did it! Once we finish blowing up those balloons, we'll be all ready for the feast! Why? Who locked down the food?
Look, Auntie Man, a flying turkey!
What? Time to call the Paw Patrol!
Hi, Mayor Goodway.
Ryder, Chickaletta is very upset. The Bouncy Turkey's flown away!
Flown away? I can see it, and something else too. It's what are hunting as kittens. We're on it. No Bouncy Turkey is too high, no pup is too small.
Ryder, I'm closing in on the turkey.
Super! We're right behind you, Sky.
Ryder, there's a ring at the bottom of the Bouncy Turkey. I can grab it with my hook and take the turkey back to the ground.
Great! We'll save the kitten first, then the Bouncy Turkey. Chase, deploy your net.
Ruff, ruff, net!
Ryder, look!
Don't use your hook yet, Sky. There's still more kittens.
Now to catch that floating turkey. Ha! Got it!
Nice job, Sky.
Okay, let's go. We don't want to be late for dinner.
Ryder, I want to thank you for, rescuing my kitties.
You're welcome. Whenever you're floating away in a giant turkey, just yelp for help.
Welcome to the Adventure Bay Windsurfing Race. The winner gets this awesome trophy. On your mark, get set, go! Whoa! The wind picked up. Maybe a little too much.
Look out!
Whoa!
All right, now this is more like it!
Stay close, Chickaletta. Ooh.
Incoming! Yes!
That strange extra strong wind came out of nowhere. What is going on out there?
Help!
Oh, we've got to help them. No wind is too strong, no pup is too small.
Suma, I'm really happy to see you. Hi, Katie. Hold on and I'll undizzy you. Life boy!
Woo! Thanks, Suma. Paw Patrol! Oh, thank goodness you're here.
Hi, Mayor Goodway. We're here to help.
Hang on tight, Mayor Goodway.
Ryder, Rocky, thank you for saving me and my widget Chooky Wookie.
Look at me! I'm roof surfing!
Steady, steady, now!
Whoa!
Oh no! Gotcha!
Thank you!
Amazing flying, Sky.
This is the wildest wind I've ever witnessed.
I wonder where it's coming from.
Paw Patrol ready for action, riders, sir. In construction gear.
Thanks for waking up ready to go, pups. Something smashed Uncle Otis's cabin.
Poor Uncle Otis.
We're gonna need all paws on deck to rebuild Uncle Otis's cabin. That's right, this is an ultimate construction rescue. I'll need an expert at building who's great at leading a crew. Rubble! And his ultimate construction vehicle.
Rubble on the ultimate double.
Paw Patrol is on a roll!
I came outside to give my beaver buddy here a midnight snack and then... wham!
This is a pretty big job, Uncle Otis. but the ultimate construction crew is here to get it done. First, let's clear the site of rubble. Not me. I mean, all of this. Marshall, use the mini steamroller to flatten the ground. Zuma, use the mini drill to make post holes. Use your winch to help lift the walls.
Winch!
Great job, construction crew.
Oh, yes! Now that's some quality cabin building.
Are your famous fizzy gherkins ready, Grandpa?
This batch really is extra fizzy, isn't it? Let's load them up.
Wait, there's one more.
Careful with the jar. If it gets shaken, the fizz in there could make it burst like a can of fizzy pop. Oh, this is bumpy! What's that noise? Whoa! Maybe I made them a little too fizzy. Help!
Mr. Porter, are you okay?
I'm fine, but I'm afraid the van is stuck.
We've got it. Chase, we're gonna need your winch.
Chase is on the case.
Where's Mr. Porter's van?
It went over the side and now it's stuck on a ledge.
Ruff! Winch! I'm down, Ryder.
Sky, lower your harness to lift Mr. Porter out.
Harness! Hold on!
Ryder, how will we get Mr. Porter's van back up?
If only there was a way to pop that van back on the road.
This van just needs a little fizzy gherkin power. Rocky, are there any unopened jars left?
Yep, there's one left.
Shake it and put it under the van.
Jars in place. I'm coming back up. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Pickle.
Pickle who?
Pick all your stuff up and run. It's gonna blow.
Everyone, step back.
Yay!
The corn's all ready for plucking, and Chickaleta's really enjoying it.
What is that?
The Pluck of Magic. It'll pick every ear of corn in a flash.
That's downright plucktastic. I wonder if the Pluck of Magic could pick other crops. Think of all the time we could save.
Yes, like peas and turnips too.
Oh, Chickaleta adores a turnip. Oh, where did my pretty chicken go, anyway?
Oh no, what's happening to the Pluck of Magic? It's out of control.
And I can't find my Chickaleta anywhere.
Time to call the Paw Patrol.
Any luck finding Chickaleta, Sky?
Not yet, Ryder. I'll keep looking. Whoa!
Can you see anything wrong with the Pluck of Magic, Rocky?
Huh? Good news. I found Chickaleta. Bad news. She's in the Pluck of Magic.
Sky, we found Chickaleta. She's in the Pluck of Magic.
On my way.
Claw! Here, Chickaleta. Grab on! Whoa! Where's the Pluck of Magic going?
Come on, Chickaleta. I know someone who's going to be happy to see you. Here she is, Ma. Safe and sound.
Oh, thank you, Sky. You're the best.
Hi, May Goodway. What's up?
Danny in his bird costume is up, way up, Ryder. He's been snatched by eagles and they're flying off with him.
If he was wearing his helmet, then he may still be sending out live feed. Let me see.
This is Daring Bird X, flying high on the most epic sky adventure ever.
We need to rescue him. No birds are too big, no pup is too small.
Now that's an epic landing. Oh, I get it. Stunt fans, the most extreme feathered flight instructors, are trying to teach Daring Bird X how to fly. Sorry, big birdies. I'm not flying. Whoa! Thanks for the lift. Look, I'm doing it.
Danny thinks he's flying, but he's really only bouncing.
We have to warn him somehow, but he can't hear us. I know. Chase, use your drone to fly your spy walkie-talkie to Danny.
Drone! One drone delivery coming right up.
Cool. It's raining walkie-talkies. Can we talk later? I'm in the middle of a flying lesson.
Danny, stay still until we rescue you.
Scratch the flying lessons! Help! Whoa! Come on, Wings! Fly!
From now on, leave the flying to me.
Phew! Thanks for the high-flying save, PAW Patrol.
You're welcome. Whenever you're in extreme flying trouble, just yell for help.
Hi, Farmer Al and Farmer Yumi.
So, Ace, do you think you can come to Town Square at 3 o'clock today?
Oh, I'd like to, but I can't.
But you have to! I mean, how come?
I don't have a car, and I can't go by plane. There's no landing strip near Town Square.
Don't worry, Ace. We'll get you to your surprise. You'll be surprised how we get you there.
OK. Thanks. I'll see you at 3.
See you later, Aviator! Wow! Everything looks party-rific! Oh no! We forgot to get her a present! We need to think of something before Farmer Al and Yumi drive Ace here for the party.
Drive? That gives me a great idea.
Why are we shopping for Ace's present on Junk Island?
Because the last time I was here, I saw something that would be perfect over there. I can fix it up and get it rolling in time for the party, especially if everyone helps.
Awesome colours, Marshall.
Great work, pups.
I've got an idea to make it even more perfect for Ace. I'll need your help though, Rocky.
Oh, it's almost time. I wonder why Sky thinks it's so important.
Whatever it is, Ace, it must be something party special. Oh, I mean, pretty special.
Surprise! Happy birthday!
Wow! Is this for me?
Yep, the pups fix it up.
Come on! Let's take your new wheels for a spin!
This is the best present ever!
Pizza dough on the go! Pizza high, watch it fly!
Now for some sauce.
And lots of cheese, if you please.
Now it's ready to bake.
Hot pizza coming through.
It smells pizza-licious. I could just gobble up a slice.
We can't eat these pizzas yet. We need to make the world's tallest pizza tower. So we can get our picture in the record book. See?
Pizza Tower? I'm going to win that trophy, right, kittens?
I'm so excited. The judge will be here any minute, and he'll be so thrilled to see our pizza tower.
Did someone say pizza? As in the world's tallest and most magnificent pizza tower?
But I thought we were going to break the record and win the trophy.
We will. The record will belong to Adventure Bay.
Don't count on it, Bear Goodway, because Foggy Bottom is in it to win it.
Everyone, clear the way for the Adventure Bay Tower of Pizza!
Oh,
I'm stuck. But now I'm moving.
Ryder, please help the judge.
Not liking. Somebody help me.
Sky, use your harness to carry the judge to safety.
Now that's a record-breaking rescue.
Ah, that's it.
And that is the world's tallest pizza tower.
Check out full episodes of Paw Patrol on Nickelodeon.